How to set up alerts in Calendar on Mac. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open the Calendar application on your device. Select the event that you want alerts from. For instance, I will select this particular event. Tap on the event and now tap on the time you see there. You will see the option for alert now. Tap on that and select the alert option of when you want alerts. You can select from the time of event to 2 days before the event. You can also set multiple alerts by repeating the same process. You can also customize the alert option by tapping on the custom option. Here you can select how you want to alert. You can select from message with sound or email or open file. Now select the time and tap on OK. And with this, the alert in Calendar on your Mac will be set. You can see I have received the alert for meeting I just set. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.